In this video, we'll show you how to update the REALITi app on your iPad to ensure you're running the correct version for your simulation setup. Keeping the app updated gives you access to the latest features, improvements, and important bug fixes. We recommend checking for updates regularly. Before you begin, ensure your iPad is connected to a stable internet connection. Step 1. Open the Apple App Store on your iPad. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner to access available app updates. Step 3. Scroll down to find the REALITi app. If an update is available, tap the Update button next to the REALITi app. If no update is available, the button will display Open, meaning you are already running the latest version. Alternatively, you can search for the REALITi app using the App Store search bar. Simply type REALITi, and if an update is available, you can update directly from the search results. Step 4. Tap Update to download and install the latest version. Once the update is complete, the button will change to Open. You can review the improvements and bug fixes for the latest release under What's New. Simply tap More to expand to the full list of changes. Important: automatic updates are not recommended. If devices update at different times, they may run different versions of REALITi, which can cause compatibility issues during training sessions. For consistency, always update all devices manually and at the same time. Your REALITi app is now updated to the latest version, and you're ready to continue your training. Thank you for using REALITi 360.